My question is the one that is when it's stories and they don't have the goal to say it to your face and they're spreading rumors about you. I'm working with a girl that's going through this right now, and there's just people talking about her around the school. It's just constant what she does in the bathroom and what she does at home and how she interacts. And so she just gets made fun of because of fake stories and rumors going around about her.
Do you want me to tell you my real answer? Do you want me to tell you the answer that you want to hear?
Real.
The one I want to hear.
The one you want to hear is document all the rumors, take screenshots of the pictures, reach out to an attorney, get the police involved, go on Facebook, go on Hula Frog, go on all these chat groups, talk to parents, find out what's really happening, all that. And those are really good suggestions.
Okay.
And the other one is she just goes right up to the first person that started, pops her right in the face, and that's it. and then anybody else that writes about it understands what the consequence is going to be, and then it's done. But that's the thing. And then now the human being gets to do that because we've been programmed. Well, this is right, this is wrong. I want to do this, I want to do that. So that's where the inner conflict comes in. I'm one person of 7.8 billion. This is my one opinion. So that's it. You do whatever you think is right. My thing is, I know what I teach helps kids stay victims less, so they don't stay a victim longer and eventually snap and either bully side themselves or do a Parkland, Columbine. I mean, you can name 50. Every other country, school shootings in the last 5 years, it's like 3, 4. You look at this one, it's 288. Why? Well, because schools aren't letting kids defend themselves.
All right, Ron, thank you so much for being
great advice. I agree. Great advice.
Thank you. I'm glad.
Yeah, you need to absolutely take it with your grain of salt in your family, but at the same time, remember what maybe it's not a legacy, but remember that your child, we want them to be able to stick up for themselves throughout their life. When mom and dad are in their own home and this is going on somewhere else, we need them to have the tools in their toolbox how to get through it.